Want this preview? In this video, we see step-by-step this effect. Let's see it. So first we download the XML file from my Telegram channel, the link in my channel bio. Next we go to the Alight Motion app. If you want a mod version, you can download from my Telegram. Then touch the plus icon, and we create new project 4:5 ratio. Then we add Trollface image. And if you want Trollface and Skullface image assets, comment us. Then duplicate the image. Next we go to template. Then touch the upload icon and upload the recent downloaded file with internet connection. Continue the timeline. You can see the difference. Copy-paste the effect, the one file to another, and repeat it.